Welcome to Introduction to TypeScript section. TypeScript brings all kinds of new power and expressiveness to our JavaScript code, but getting started can be often seen as a challenge. In this section, we're going to start the absolute beginning. This section is very important in order to learn coding in Angular. But if you are already familiar with TypeScript, you're free to skip this section and start as section 3. In this video, we will see what's the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript, and what are the features of TypeScript. So let's go. TypeScript is a subset of JavaScript. That means JavaScript code is valid in TypeScript code. However, TypeScript adds a lot of new features to ECMAScript 5 and 6. For example, TypeScript supports strong typing, which means when you define a variable, you should define its type. This converts JavaScript to strongly typed language. Using this feature makes our code easy to debug and detect error earlier. Although ECMA 5 supports classes using prototype, it's a difficult concept to use. TypeScript has the concept of classes, interfaces, extend, constructors, public, private, and those who are familiar with object-oriented languages such as Java or .NET will find these terms are easy to understand. TypeScript gives also a great feature, which is the IntelliSense in our code editor, as we will see that later in this section. However, browsers doesn't understand TypeScript. That is why we should transpile our TypeScript code to JavaScript. Don't worry, we will see how to do this in this section. We saw in this video the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript and the features of TypeScript.